Hello guys, this is my new mining range. I've just ordered a second case. This is a 6 GPU one. There's another one at the back there but not properly installed on this frame. Be Quiet PSU 1500, mainly 3060 Ti's in this. I'm going to be making a tutorial for 8 GPU mining frame very soon. Like I say, this is some of my first videos. If you'd like to see the build, comment below. Awesome case, by the way. You can carry it wherever you go. Just plug a few cables, put it in your boot, take it wherever you want and start mining. Sort of reminds me of an ASIC, that design. It's brilliant. But thanks for watching, and tutorial coming out. Beautiful.